Get out of there. Okay, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Maybe you can.
Oh,
Oh,
that one just committed Harry-Carry.
Come on, you guys.
They're pretty tough.
Come on. Come on. Kangas, come on. Yeah, come on. If your sister didn't like it, what made you think you would? Come on, get your butt out of it. Get out of it.
They are determined to get under the dresser, Mom.
Come on, which one is that? Alright, we got...
Yeah, you
just get out of there.
You try and count them.
Okay, there aren't out. There aren't enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's one missing.
There's one here.
Okay.
One here under my leg. Hey, that's not a nipple, you moron.
Hey. Which one are you? Kangas, get off of her.
I don't know if you guys are helping your situation or not. Huh? Don't chew any shoes. Don't chew on each other.
Now they want to play blanket. No, you can't go in there.
Yeah. Kill that evil blanket.
So cute, all dirty. Meantime, Rabbit's just standing back there watching the whole thing. Oh, Brutus is ready for his every other minute nap. I said stop that. Come on. Get up. Tigger, get up. You guys.
Well, they're healthy. I can give you that.
Now, leave the cable wires alone. Say hey!
Puppies chew on things. That's what
Not
they do.
that.
Yeah, well, they don't know.
And if you chew on it and you yank it and shake it.
Well, that one's kinky.
What are you guys up to?
They're playing with my hopeful note shoes.
I tell you, when Steve gets silky, she is just going to rule his life. I already talked to him about that.